लाखांनी जमीन ही आज अंडर हॉटेल्स आणि दुसरे जायते प्रोजेक्टाच्या नावान आज लोक हडप करता आणि दिस दे आर नॉट ब्रिंगिंग इन एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स अँड येस्टरडे वी हॅड स्पोकन अबाउट दिस थिंग टुडे minister has admitted and he said that he would put it to CADA board again. I don't know, once everything is cleared, how do you denotify? दूसरा एक्साइजाचा मोठा प्रश्न आशिल्लो ऑन दी अल्कोहोल. द वे I pointed out की 1300 odd cases आहे. It is shocking to see that only 2 officers were basically most of the people shown suspended, no departmental inquiry. It is shocking. And there are ways how this alcohol is going out of the state. So illegal, it is completely increasing. त्यानंतर जो एक लायब्ररीन एक डेलिगेशन आमचे बरें येयल्ले, दे आर अबाउट 130 people. तांकां फिक्स करपाचें, दे आर मोर देन 10 years. 2015 तांकां गेल्ले अंडर दॅट गोवा लायब्ररीयन स्कीम. So I raised it. The Honorable Chief Minister said that he would consider that to make their jobs permanent. Calling attention जे 2 important matters. One matter was regarding जे भायले लोक तांकां जे भुरगे आमचे भायले परदेशान वता तांकां जे स्कॅम जाता, and we asked for measures that need to be taken to make sure that they are proper. हें पण एक नेक्सस आहा, हें बस्ट करपाक जाय. एक मोठो प्रश्न ऑफ गोवा युनिवर्सिटी टुडे इज शॉकिंग की today we should decide on how to celebrate 40 years of Goa University, but today simple measures like lock and key, like CCTV cameras, leakage of papers. As legislators, we asked for a house committee. The Honorable Chief Minister did not agree, but he definitely agreed that reforms had to be brought. It was possibly like pre-colonial mindset that certain laws are there. So Vice Chancellor to tingacho to the new governor and make an appeal to him regarding what is happening in Goa University. And then we spoke demands on tourism. We exposed the junket more than what he alleged against Dilip Parulekar. There is whether गोंयांत tourism जे international tourist वाडपाक जाय, ते international tourist आज if you compare figures to 2019, today in 2019 there was almost 9,70,000 international tourists. Today we are at hardly 4,70,000. But he's comparing to post-COVID. I don't think that is the trend. The trend is that there is a decline in international tourists. This is said by Michael Lobo, by several other people. And what type of tourists are coming in Goa? What is the tourism policy? How the beach cleaning scam मोडले तेणे. त्या वेळार आज हिंगाय फॉल्ट आहे. बीच क्लिनिंगान 10 लाख सुमार लोकांक हांकां फायन मारलेले आसा. And absolutely chaos, same thing. फक्त कोदेल चेंज जाले. Minister has gone from one side to the other side. I don't know whether what allegations he stands by. That was a BJP government then. Today we expected that he would bring reforms. IT policy स्वतःन त्यान अनाउन्स केली, उमके 10,000 लोक. ओट्रान अनाउन्स केली, उमके 15,000 लोक. मागीर ते काळो पोत्तून मागीर आंत अनाउन्स केल्या 15,000 लोक. हे लोक इतले लोकांक हे हुंय गेले. हुंय इतले भुरगे जो फक्त सांगताय. आनीक अंडर फायबर ऑप्टिक्स जे रायट ऑफ वे, आय टोल्ड हिम की अंडर रायट ऑफ वे गती शक्ती पोर्टल जे तेंगेले अप्रुवल दिवपाक जाय, खास करून गोंयकार people, internet providers are not given. There is a way the crony capitalists, Adani and तेंगे मनशाक पयलीं अप्रुवल मेळटा. These people are kept behind. I raised this issue as well. With printing and stationery, there have to be immediate reforms. But the Honorable Tourism Minister, as usual, आख देड वरां काणयो सांगले आनी मागीर लास्ट 7 मिनटां हांव क्वेश्चन विचारपा थिंगाय बोवाड मारपा लागलो. नथींग इज एक्सपेक्टेड. इट इज ऑन द सेम लायन. सो इट्स कंप्लीट डिजास्टर.
You still believe that there is a beach cleaning scam is there?
See, I don't believe it is a fact. Today, more than 10 lakhs fines have been given for no proper providing of proper personnel there, for personal garbage bins. So when fines have been put to 10 lakhs to itle lakhani fine denga deta, then what is it? If it is not a scam, what is it? The amount has gone in crores of rupees today. What was initially, now it has gone to 2-3 times. And the same minister pointed out the same facts that were pointed out by CAG, the same facts that were pointed out by the minister, the same facts that I pointed out in the question and said that same 3 सांगलोले स्कॅम आहा म्हणून ह्यो 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 क्रायटेरिया त्योच क्रायटेरिया आज आन्सर मेळ्ळा हांकां इतल्यो फायन दिलाय म्हणून सो वॉट इज इट बाबा CAG is an authority that is a neutral authority and basically I am part of a PUC chairman also. It's not right for me to be basically they are a neutral authority, so I should not basically comment on that, but I believe that the members have clarified about it.
You mentioned that liquor, there only officers are involved. Don't you think that there might be a politician also might be there?
No, definitely without political nexus as I know, without police nexus as I know. आज ते सोरपोटिंग मेळ्ळो because it caught fire. Now where it goes through लातांबारचे आमी जेन्ना बिचोले गेले त्या वेळार आमकां सांगलें की थिंगा एक रस्तो आहा मो सेपरेट सारको प्रायवेट थिंगच्यान पाब्लो एस्कोबार भोंवता जाल्यार चोवपा जाय थिंगा कोण हो सोऱ्या डॉन कोण आहा तो चोवपा जाय दीस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट सेपरेट आनी थिंगा एक चॅक पोस्ट बंद करपाचो म्हणून सरकाराक आदेश आहा एज पर द पॉलिसी ऑफ GST काल मंत्री उलयले ना पूण हे चॅक पोस्ट तांकां बऱ्या पडे कित्याक बऱ्या पडे तांकां खबर आहा नोट बीट कोणाक कार्ड बीट वयता कोणाक केसो चोण मेळटा कोणाक केसलो बॅग मेळटा कोणाक कितें मेळटा हें सगळें खबर आहा सो डेफिनेटली इट्स अ होल नेक्सस इफ यू सी द चॅक पोस्ट द पुलीस द पॉलिटिशियन सोरो करपाचो म्हणजे दे आर ऑल कंबायन्ड दे नो टुडे देर इज नो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा दॅट इज वाय दे आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ द एंटायर
बॉटल फायंड आउट करपाक इतलो टायम जाता कित्याक जर मॅन्युफॅक्चर डेट आनी तेजेर ती लेबलिंग आसता
ना
डायरेक्ट
तें कितें रे तें आतां जीत मोदें म्हूण लागलो इम्पोर्टेड ऑर लोकल सो जाल्यार कितको चॅक कोतले काय तेकोय जाता मुखेलमंत्री कांय घेना म्हाका खबर हांवूय घेना पूण कोणाक घेत तेका दिवपा पडो न्हू चॅक करूंक इम्पोर्टंट
That truck which has been caught about liquor, who's the owner of that truck? Any idea about that?
No, personally I am not sure who's the owner of that truck, but if it is linked to any politician, I'm not specifically I'm unaware, but definitely it is a nexus. Definitely this cannot happen. These things absolutely cannot go, and the excise commissioner has failed, police has failed, home minister has failed, and these things he has said he कोणा उखलून हाडटो म्हूण सांगला हे फक्त नेम सेक 1300 cases, only 2 people have been held accountable, no proper all he said is show cause notice dade, nothing, no FIR, nothing, 1300 cases. Can you imagine?
Okay, thank you.